Today, more than ever,
Meidän pitää suojella planeettaa.
Wir müssen heute mehr denn je unseren
Gezegenimizi
Planeten
che
und die
prendiamo un
Menschen, die auf
impatto.
dem Leben schützen.
1937'den
Ford
beri
kombinaison unique yhdessä asiakkaidemme kanssa.
Teemme jokapäiväistä historiaa.
Today, more than ever, we need to protect our planet and the people living on it. Every choice we make has an impact. We are committed to developing solutions that are good for our customers' business. But also good for the environment and the health and safety of all. We have been delivering sustainable insulation solutions to customers since 1937. Across all technical markets, from marine to industry, HVAC, automotive, or household appliances, we support our customers at every step of the project, from design to installation. This means customizing our approach based on specific needs. This means adding value through high levels of comfort, health, safety, and performance. This also means helping limit environmental impact of each project while managing costs. Drawing on a unique combination of global resources, local deployment, and multi-material expertise, we strive to always be more efficient and responsible. Together with our customers, we are making this an everyday reality.